Good morning, children. This is Shival speaking. Children, we have been dealing with the chapter linear equations in one variable. We are already over with the syllabus, the chapters which are coming in exams. So here, in this video, we are going to have a discussion as a revision on some questions which I've chosen for revision. So, children, let's have a discussion on those questions. These questions which I'm going to explain, these are very important, and these questions will help you to understand, the concept of linear equations in higher classes as well, because you will find similar questions in higher classes as well. Okay, children. So, I have chosen some questions which is to be solved. Question exercise 2.5. Exercise 2.5. Question number 6, because you all had got problems in this question, so this is what I have chosen over here to discuss. Question number 6: a minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 minus a minus 2 by 3. Children, if you can solve, if you understand this question, it will help us to understand almost every question of this exercise having similar pattern of or dealing with equations. All right, so here let us you know write m minus a minus 1 by 2, and let us bring this number from right hand side to the left hand side. Let us transpose this number. It will be minus m minus 2 by 3. Now question comes in your mind, so why did you do this? Okay, thing is that whenever we deal with equations, so we should always collect all the like numbers or the terms having variables should be in one side, all together in one side. So I'm just collecting all the m related variables in the left hand side, and that is why I have transposed this m minus 2 by 3 from right hand side to the left hand side. And here what is left over? The leftover number is 1. Okay, now so this from this step, what we need to do, children, we need to just simply find the LCM of these two number, 3 and 2, and there is nothing. You might be thinking, sir, how to do this, as there is nothing. Children, there is nothing means 1. If there is nothing in the place of denominator, it should be always 1. Okay, so 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6. So 6 divided by 1 is 6, 6 into m is 6m, minus 6 divided by 2 is 3, 3 into m is 3m. This minus and this minus will be multiplied. Minus and minus will become plus. 6 divided by 2 was 3, 3 1s are 3. Okay, now here is a minus and I have to write minus. Now 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 into m results 2m. Minus and minus becomes plus. 6 divided by 3 was 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay, is equal to 1. Now children, the very important job to be done right now. Let us calculate all the variables related terms first. Okay, 6m minus 3m is how much? Is 3m. 3m minus 2m is how much, children? Only 1m, isn't it? Yeah. Now next is what? 3 and 4. 3 and 4 to be added is 7. What is the denominator? Denominator was 6 before, so I have to write 6 as it is equal to 1. All right, now so once we go for cross multiplication, m plus 7 divided by 1, there is nothing in the denominator means 1. M plus 7 into 1 results m plus 7, and 6 into 1 results 6. Now children, what is the next job? Our next job to calculate this answer now, final answer. So the final answer to be calculated, m is equal to 6. This plus 7 will be turned this side, it would become minus 7. So I'm getting my answer, m is equal to minus 1. Children, this is how we actually deal with this kind of things actually. So next question which I can choose for the explanation, that is in a very simple format. It's given in a very simple form. Question number 7 is about 3 into t minus 3 is equal to 5 into 2t plus 1. Now children, 3 into t is 3t minus 3 3s are 9. Now 5 into 2t is 10t plus 5 ones are 5. Now children, this 3t I'll just take over here, and this is 10t. I'll bring from right hand side to the left hand side. It will be minus 10t. Minus 10t. Okay. And here it was plus 5. I'll just transpose minus 9 from left hand side to the right hand side. It would become plus 9. Now children, 3t minus 10t is minus 7t. Yeah, because whenever we go for our calculations of smaller to the bigger number, bigger to the smaller number, whenever we subtract like this, so we should always get the minus signs preference first. So here it will be minus 7t. All right. Now, so plus 5 plus 9 is how much? 14. So here children, what am I finally getting from here? I'm getting finally from here t is equal to 14 minus 7. Now you might be thinking, sir, you are transposing minus 7, but it's not changing the sign. No, we don't have to look at the sign before the number. We have to see the relation between the variable and the number. The relation between the variable and the number is multiplication. So the moment I'm transposing minus 7 from left hand side to the right hand side, it will be just simply divided. That's it. So 14 divided by minus 7 is, answer is minus 7. So the final answer of t is minus 7. So I hope children this is clear to everyone. All right. So this is how we need to deal with such kind of questions. I want you to try out all the similar sums which is given over here, and you will practice the similar questions. If you get difficulties to solve these questions, you can freely ask to me. Drop your query in the comment section, and please submit this work in the Google Classroom. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.